Where to place products in the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. The bottle washer has 20 high-pressure spray jets to powerfully clean bottles, pump parts, and accessories. The Bottle Washer Pro fits 4 wide-neck or narrow-neck bottles. Both wide-neck bottles and narrow-neck bottles fit on one of 4 bottle holders on the bottom rack centered over the spray jets. Do not place more than 4 bottles within the machine. Some bottles have concave bases, which can have a small residual amount of water left after drying. The bottle washer also fits up to 4 flanges or shields from most non-wearable breast pumps. Be sure to place flanges and shields centered over the spray jets. The top rack can hold up to 4 nipples or small pump parts. You can also place collars next to the nipples. Smaller pump parts and vent tube inserts can also be placed on the top rack, centered over one of the jets. You can also place collars, caps, and other accessories on the top rack, but make sure the spray jets can direct water onto these products. You may need to wash these accessories separately from bottle and nipples. Do not place accessories on the top rack where the spray jets do not spray water. Do not overfill the bottle washer. Ensure the spray jets can direct water onto each product you're washing. The Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro.